I'm back, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do our magic name activity. So what you need from your packet is you need your white circles. There's a secret on them, so grab your white circles. You need your watercolors from your school supply kit, and you need a piece of construction paper. You can use any color that you want. I used orange, and I cut it in half. I folded it like a hot dog, and I cut it in half. My name is short, so I'm only gonna need one piece. But if you have a long name, you might have to glue your pieces together like this. I'll tell you more about that in a minute. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna take your white circles. Oh, and I forgot the most important color. The most important thing, what do you need when you're using watercolors? Water. I've got my cup of water right here, but I forgot to tell you, you're gonna need a cup of water. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my brush wet, and I'm gonna start with the color yellow, and my brush is nice and wet, and I'm gonna rub it around on the yellow paint, and I'm gonna paint a circle. Now, I don't wanna ruin the surprise, so I hope you're doing this with me while I'm painting. I want you to go get yours. Pause the video if you need to. Go get yours. I want you to do it with me while I'm working. And when I paint my circle, I see a surprise. I'm not going to tell you what it is though, because I want you to know. Okay, I want you to see it when you do yours. Okay, I did the yellow. Now I'm going to go with red. I'm rinsing my brush so I don't get my yellow paint in my red paint. And I'm going to rub my brush around in the red. That's a pretty red. And I'm going to paint another circle. And there's another surprise in this circle. Okay, I'm going to rinse my brush again. This time I'm going to do green. So you rinse in between so that you don't get colors mixed up. You can mix them on your paper if you want to, but I try not to mix them in my tray. All right, here we go. Painting the next circle. I'm doing my best to stay in the lines, but if I get out a little bit, that's okay. Let's go nice and slow. All right, one more color for me. You might have more than me. You might have less than me. Okay, my last color, I'm gonna do blue. Ooh, what a pretty blue. All right, painting my circle. A circle is a shape that goes around and around. A circle is a shape that goes around and around. Okay, I painted all of my circles. Have you figured out what the surprise is yet? Did you see it? I'm still not gonna say just in case you're not working on it with me. Okay, the next thing you've done, you wanna set this aside to dry for a minute, because the next step is we're gonna cut our circles out. And I want you to get a grown-up to help you cut that out, okay? So, like magic, I've already got some cut out right here. And then what you're gonna do with your circles, and you'll see what's on them, and you'll do it in order, you're gonna glue them to a piece of paper to make something. Have you figured out what we're making yet? All right, here's my first one. I'm gonna use my glue stick. I'm gonna put glue on the back. There's my first one. There's my second one. I have 3, 4 circles. I needed 4 circles to do mine. So I have them glued to my paper. Now if my name were longer, was it gonna fit on that orange paper? No. So what I would do if it was any longer is I'd put some glue on the other half of my paper that I cut and just glue them together. And then look at all the room I have left. So I can put a name with, oh, I told the secret. Oh no, I didn't mean to. Okay, well, if I needed to put more circles on here, I have room. I hope you guys have fun doing this magic project. Everything you need is already done for you. Parents, the magic is already on the circles. You don't have to do it. So you guys have a great time with this project, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.